Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, Balram, the local shoe shop owner, sells 4 types of footwear: slippers S, canvas shoes C, leather shoes L, and joggers J. The following information is known regarding the cost prices and selling prices of these 4 types of footwear. Now option 1. L sells for rupees 500 less than J, which costs rupees 300 more than S, which in turn sells for rupees 200 more than L. And statement 2 is L costs rupees 300 less than C, which sells for rupees 300 more than S, which in turn costs rupees 100 less than C. If it is known that Balram never sells any item at a loss, then which of the following is true regarding the profit percentages earned by Balram on the items L, S, C and J, represented by small l, small s, small c and small j respectively? Now, tabulating the given information, we get, let this be CP, this column be the item, and this column be the selling price. Again, for C, the selling price is X minus 200 and CP is Y plus 100. For leather shoes, the selling price is X minus 500 and cost price is Y minus 200. And for joggers J, the selling price is X and the cost price is Y plus 300. To compare the profit percentages, we can compare SP by CP. So for profit percentages, we'll compare SP by CP, that is equal to X minus 300 by Y. Then for C, it is X minus 200 by Y plus 100. For L, it is X minus 500 by Y minus 200. And for J, it is X by Y plus 300. Now it can be observed that the above fractions can be written as A by B, A plus 100 by B plus 100, A minus 200 by B minus 200, and A plus 300 by B plus 300, where A is equal to X minus 300 and B is equal to Y. Now no item sells at a loss, and given the identity that M by N greater than M plus K by N plus K, whenever M by N greater than is equal to 1 and K is positive, the above ratios can be rearranged as, so these ratios, now they can be rearranged as A minus 200 by B minus 200 greater than is equal to A by B greater than is equal to A plus 100 by B plus 100 greater than is equal to A plus 300 by B plus 300. So option C is the correct answer.